Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we will show you how to delete messages in Telegram group in a simple and clear way, so you can manage your chats easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device by tapping its icon from the home screen or app drawer. Step 2. From the main screen, tap on the group where you want to delete messages. This screen shows a list of all your chats and groups, making it easy to find the one you need. Step 3. Find the message you want to delete, or select multiple messages if needed. You can scroll through the chat to locate a specific message, whether it is your own or someone else's. Step 4. Tap and hold on the selected message to open the options menu. This menu usually appears at the bottom or top of the screen and contains several actions you can perform. Step 5. Tap on Delete from the options menu. This option is used to remove the selected message from the chat. Step 6. Choose Delete for all members or Delete for me to confirm the action. Deleting for all members removes the message from the group for everyone, while deleting for yourself only hides it from your chat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful videos.